Our last step here is we want to put our ears on. So I put these blocks here so it doesn't slide on me when I screw it in. So I'm going to use a little bit of glue, and I have a 1-inch screw to screw it to the head. That way, if you bump it, it won't come loose. Rather than just glue it alone. I've also marked where I want it to be on each side, so I know where to set it. That one's set. I'll move to this side. And again, I've marked it so they'll match up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like on the video. I would appreciate that. Thanks. Stick that one on there. Take these off. Now we have our ears on. So now we're ready to give it a final sanding with my palm sander, and then we'll go inside and seal it. Thanks for watching.